guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Madison. Thank you so much for joining. Today I have 2 pop-in boxes. Now let me just give you a little warning. I have canceled the subscription for right now with everything that's going on in the world and me not having jobs. I have needed to back up a little bit, you know? So I have canceled the subscription, and I am letting you know this is from October and November. I do have December, January, and February, maybe a March, not too sure when I am filming this. As of right now, I only have those ones. So I will be unboxing these 2, and then I will be unboxing 3 of them in my next video. And also, if I am wearing the same makeup, I have been pre-filming. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning, so this is the only time I'm able to film right now. So with that being said, if you haven't heard of Pop in a Box, it is a monthly subscription that you get a Funko Pop. They have 1, 3, 6, and I think 12 or 24 that you can purchase. This was $14.95, and then they did include shipping all of a sudden to make it like 19 something. So then I said eventually it wasn't worth it, really, in my opinion. But it's really great. You could sign up for it. You make your own account. You thumbs up or thumbs down products that you would like, and then out of that they separate it. So anything that you have thumbs down will be blacklisted into a separate section, and everything that you have thumbs up, or you could say that you've had in your collection, they'll put in one, and then they'll pick from that and send you your curated box. So I get the 1 Funko a month. So again, this is October and this is November. I have blacked out my address, and my mother has also blacked out what is in these boxes. This one's completely ripped off, so I have no idea. I have pre-cut the openings, but again, I have not looked in this, so I have no idea. I thumbs up like Nightmare Before Christmas, anything kind of Disney related, Toy Story, Wreck-It Ralph, Monsters Inc., stuff like that. So that's what I'm expecting kind of in these. I will let you know if I did thumbs up these products or if I didn't. Let's just get on to unboxing these. So I'm going to start off with the October one first, which makes sense. So they come in these box. Again, it says Pop in a Box size 1 because I only get 1 here. I'm just going to quickly open it. I'm going to give you guys the first look because that is what I like to do. What do we have? Ooh, we have Slinky Dog. That is so cool. I got Miss Nesbit last time, and I think I've received another one. I can't remember. So this is Slinky Dog. I did thumbs this up. He's super cute. I didn't really want this full collection. I've only wanted some of them, and so far I've got the ones that I've thumbs up, which is awesome. So I am an inbox collector, so he will sit nicely on my shelf in my new beauty room once it is ready. So I'll just give you a quick close-up. So that is awesome. I don't really see any dings or anything on the box. There is kind of this weird lining on the plastic. Don't think you can see it there, but besides that, this is in pretty good condition. And again, I keep them in the box, so it doesn't really matter to me that much. So that was number 1. Now let's get on to number 2. Again, I'm gonna give you the first look. Again, this is for November, by the way. Oh, another Toy Story. We got Bullseye. This guy has a lot of cardboard dust on him. And actually, he's a little banged up in the corner, but he's still pretty good. And over on this corner a little bit too. But super cute. Again, I did thumbs up Bullseye, which is great. The detail on these are amazing. This is so cute. Now I have a couple from Toy Story. This is awesome. Now between Slinky Dog and Bullseye, what one's your favorite? Comment down below, let me know. I think I would have to pick Slinky Dog just because I enjoy him a bit more as a character. I do like Bullseye, but I like Slinky Dog more. As bad as that sounds. Don't come after me in the comments. So again, I will give you a quick close-up. So I don't know if you can see right here, there's some weird scratches and stuff on the plastic, but again, I'm an inbox collector. It's not really that big of a deal. So these are the 2 pops that I got for October and November. Comment down below, let me know what one was your favorite, and if you have this subscription, would you get 1 pop, 3 pops, 6 pops, 12, 24? let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. And if you aren't already, click that subscribe button before you leave. And I will see you in another video. Bye!